Hello, everyone. Thought that people would benefit from me recording myself doing work. So I'm going to record. Also, I thought that if I try to teach others how I do it, then it would benefit me more. So I'm going to share screen. Let's see. So this is just my whole desktop. Basically today I went through what's it called? The videos, and I didn't find it like too helpful. I thought it was like kind of kind of tedious, like information that I didn't need that much. Like this whole video basically said ICTs are important to communicate with other people, and that's why it's important, or something like that. And that's why you should focus on learning the aspects of it. But it was like 20-minute video just to explain 2 points. So I didn't like it. My friend from who took his class last year, she said that, or 2 years ago, I'm not sure, but she said that when she took his class, like he would have videos and WikiHow pages that you had to read in order to do the project. But most of the time you could just read the instructions and you would get a gist of it. Anything that you didn't find, like it was like maybe something that was hard to interpret, you just watch the video. So this first one is not too hard. It's just organizing files. So I figured I don't really need to watch the rest of the videos. Yeah. I might play some music just because, like, hopefully you guys might like my taste in music. Let's see. I also like listening to podcasts. I'm gonna try to finish this project in about an hour. Ooh, you can't even hear it. Well, it's okay. So here, organizing computer documents is right here. So just talks about the pros of being able to organize it, designing and create. So you're gonna have folder structures. There's a hierarchy. All the folders go into this one big, file, or I don't know what it's called, but yeah, to this one big box. And you have 3 separate sections. So three of the cabinets. I don't know. Sorry, 3 sections. So split up. This whole thing split up to 3, and then within that, there's separate folders within those sections, and then in those sections, there's like smaller, detailed folders. I guess documents, data. So that's why you're having an organized folder structure would be important. Because it's easier for you to retain that information, not retain, but find the information. It says step 1 is decide on the main categories in your nonprofit organization. You would create main folders later you would create main folders that correspond. So I think the first thing you would do is actually create these 2009, 2010 folders first before you know where it goes. Then you would create these, and then you create that as last. So see, the next one is identify the subcategories, and then And then it says, for business activities that recur each year, you may want to define another level of subfolders organized by year. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is by the year. And then, oh, main categories in your nonprofit is the big 3 right here. It's my bad. I hope you guys aren't confused. Places. Select start. Then choose computer from the options on the right-hand side. Double click on the storage drive you want to create. Then create main folder. Type in it says new folder. To create subfolders, double click the main folder that you want to create a subfolder in, and then repeat steps 3 and 4. 3 is new folder, and then type in the folder name again. 6, you can move your files and documents by clicking and dragging the documents into different file folders. So this is just moving your documents inside. Okay, naming your files in a specific fashion also helps to organize your data. Use a date in the name of the document so that you can revise the document and save it differently than the prior version. So you want to put the date at the front of the document name. Format your dates in the year first, month, and then day. So 2022, today is January 12th. Yeah, 12 and 12. Or sorry, 1 and 12. Underscores in between words for making file names easier to read. Use brief but fully descriptive names. Okay, do not use all capital letters. Okay, there we go. Here's an easy one. 2012, June 15th, end of year P. Got it. So sometimes you want to make multiple copies, but instead you could just shortcut to refer to multiple locations. So it says there may be some oh my bad. There may be some instances where you may need to access documents from multiple folders. Shortcuts are links to files or programs and are represented by icons with an arrow in the lower left corner. To create a shortcut, right-click the file, then create shortcut. You can drag the shortcut to other locations. After you create the shortcut, you can move it to a different folder. Now the shortcut of the original minutes document is also in the packets folder. So rather than having it in one location, you want to use the shortcut to have it in other locations as well. And it says sample folder structure. So the hierarchy, the 3 main, and then small subfolders, and then like the specific documents like this, like the years. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, finish reading that document. Now let's start our project. Okay. First, I'm going to download it here. I'm going to open it. Okay. So I have a bunch of documents, or yeah, right? Okay. Today, organization collects, store, and utilize data on computers and files. Create a file structure according to the file's name, prefix for files contained. Okay, so we're going to separate them by the prefixes. Okay, let's go back. So PR is going to go with PR. I'm going to keep it all in one section. I don't know if like this is the right way to do it, but I'm going to keep it all in on my desktop. And so that when I see the like it on my desktop, it's easier just to like, I don't know, put it on one. Like, everything starts with PR over here. PR. Oh, sorry. I feel like the sound, you can hear the sound of the rap. I hope it's not bothering anyone. Oh, we could also do this too. Oh gosh. Hey, you live, you learn. Okay, they're all on one section, right? It says PR. What does it mean though? I mean, this is a spreadsheet. Why would it be with the PR? I thought PR just meant like, this is a document. Oh, unless he wants us to separate it by document and JPEGs. So JPEGs together and then spreadsheets together, right? Not too sure. Well, pretty much everything starts with PR, so I already did it wrong. Let's separate it by documents. So this one's going to be a doc right here. Spreadsheet. Put it over here. And I'm going to put pictures in this corner. Pictures. Document. Spreadsheets over here. Right here. Document, spreadsheet, document, spreadsheet, document. Picture. What does ACCDB mean? What does that mean? Am I supposed to open it on Word? Oh gosh, let me start sharing this.